Hi, my name is Taryn, and my dad is my best friend. And last year, he had had a variety of different health complications. And so they did a test and they found out that he had a heart murmur. And so then they wanted to do further testing. And at one point, they believed that he had a birth defect, which meant that one of his aorta, I'm not a doctor, but his aorta was a bicuspid instead of a tricuspid because it's supposed to have three and it only had two. So there were, a little bit of concerns that we had there. But then he did further heart health testing and he fortunately found out that it actually was not a birth defect. Fortunately, it was just some calcium in his aorta. But because of all those things, we were able to confirm that he was going to be okay and rule out other serious things. And it just goes to show how important it is to take care of your heart and get your heart health checked. So that's why I'm sharing his story today.